Good morning, friends. This is Mary from Rocky Mountain Gardens, and I want to welcome you to my channel. And the video that I'm going to be doing today is a look at my cousin Linda and Jerry's house, decorated for Christmas. And this year, she has done a carolers theme. If you've seen some of her videos in the past that I've shown on YouTube, you might know that every year she changes her theme and she has special decorations for every different theme, and they're always fun to see. So we're going to jump in and look at how she decorated this year. I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin outdoors here where you can see their entire home. And here's a close-up of Mickey and Minnie being carolers. And then here you can see her front door, and everything is gorgeously decorated with garlands and lights. And look at these two groups of carolers on either side of the door. Aren't they cute? One of them has a St. Louis Blues shirt on because they're big blues fans. And just enjoy seeing the outside of this beautiful home. While I was visiting, and I was staying with my brother and sister-in-law, we went down to the Anheuser-Busch brewery in downtown St. Louis, where they're all decorated at Christmas time for the holidays, and I got to see and pet that Clydesdale that you see me with right here in this picture. Now we're standing inside Linda and Jerry's home, and you see that cute snowman hanging on their front door. And then here is a ceramic Christmas tree that Linda actually made herself. Here we had a quick peek at the living room, and this is the entryway. And you can see that they have decorated the stairway going upstairs to the second floor. And each stair has a cute little snowman and lots of little Christmas joy right here as you go up the stairs. This is a darling little snowman playing the piano, and I had to cut out the sound of it because there were a lot of people in the house at the moment and being very loud. Now, in this hallway is a small piece of furniture that has a Christmas tree and carolers. And back into the living room, you can see over there the piano is festooned with more carolers. And this beautiful Christmas tree, I think I've mentioned before, is my favorite. I love it because it does rotate, and Linda always decorates it so beautifully with very sparkly ornaments. And do you see all the icicles? Aren't they cute? Here's a couple of carolers over on the right side of the Christmas tree. And we'll take a look at some of the ornaments as we go up to the top. Isn't that a precious angel topping the tree? Here's a close-up of that tree with all of its beauty right here. Love it. Now coming down the tree, as we get down toward the bottom, we can get a full look. And also at the very bottom, oh, let's take a quick look over here to the left at two more carolers. Aren't they dressed awesomely, just like Dickens carolers would be? And here's a nativity scene under the tree, really a pretty one. Next, we'll see this darling little nativity. Isn't it cute? And let's swing over here so we can get a better look at these carolers on the piano. Aren't they delightful? Playing instruments and holding their songbooks. Very nice. Entering the dining room, we have a beautiful tree in the corner and have a little table here with some characters on it, as well as this next small cabinet. Look at the carolers standing next to this street lamp. They're really awesome, amazing. There's another beautiful Christmas tree with an angel on top, as you can see. And on the dining room table, Linda and Jerry have put some more carolers, a group of 4, amongst the greenery. Look at that Santa on the wall. Isn't he a nice looking Santa? And then next we have this nativity set, which is really beautiful. Take a look at each of the characters from the first Christmas. And in this small hallway, it's quite narrow, is another nativity. Linda and Jerry have really gotten out their nativities and placed them everywhere around in their home for everybody's enjoyment. Remembering why we celebrate Christmas every single year. Here are some Disney characters, and that view gives you an idea of how narrow that little hallway is. Now we're into the kitchen, and I wanted to share with you this jingle bell wreath that they have on the window there. It's really pretty. And this is a kitchen tree with a gingerbread character or 2 on top, and lots of things pertaining to kitchens, eating treats. Look at that vintage refrigerator. I love that. Lots and lots of ornaments, very pretty with icicles, measuring spoons, teapots. And then on top of Linda's cabinets, I wanted to show you a close-up of her gingerbread collection up there that looks so cute and really make her kitchen feel very festive. More gingerbread people and homes over there on this cabinet. And then on her kitchen table for a centerpiece, she had this gingerbread house with little people and peppermint trees, and it just was darling. Now walking into their family room, here they have a very large Christmas tree. I believe it's 9 feet tall. It is really something else. Really makes a statement, let me tell you, when you walk into the room. And here you can see the ribbon appearing in some of the branches that Linda bought I think the year before, and it's quite beautiful. Very delicate beading work on it. And then another nativity Can never have too many nativities, that's what I think. And on the coffee table here, there are some carolers again. And as we swing around to the mantelpiece, you'll notice another collection of nice, really beautifully dressed carolers, and they all have their Dickens era clothing on. You can see them all here holding their hymnals, little houses and Christmas trees with them, with a really nice Merry Christmas sign here and some larger carolers on the hearth. So guys, I wanted to tell you thank you for coming along on this tour of my cousin's house and seeing her caroler collection. And I hope you're all well and getting ready anxiously for the big day. So this is Mary saying bye for now and Merry Christmas to all.